what is you too, you know what I'm saying? We back with another video, man. Got my boy, you know what I'm saying? Got that boy Drew out there, bitch. He look ugly. Got that motherfucker, yeah, got my twin over there. Nothing. Hell yeah. That's my other Daytona twin right there. Oh God. He got a white one though. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying?
Hey, Daytona, right?
You said what?
Daytona's a Daytona, right?
They're gonna tell you this nigga. Twin, what's up, boy? How you feeling? You know what I'm saying? We finally got your ass out the house, nigga. They finally got us out the house, twin. You know what I'm saying, bro. They don't got that goddamn beat. Oh God. That done been aggravating, bro. Shit, nigga, I've been on.
Get your ass been rain and shit, my COVID and shit.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta try to get up out that work, you know what I'm saying? Can't be in that bitch too long, though.
Bro, I'm so God.
Yeah, twin.
Boy, you gotta come back to it.
Shit, it's supposed to be a car meet. Oh God, it's like, Lane, all the some shit like that. He was supposed to be all out there and shit. They told me to come out there. So we gotta go out there, you know, boy, Drew ass. So we all three went driving out. Told your ass to come yesterday, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it was a good, decent amount of people yesterday. But your ass, that work, nigga.
Bro,
Damn.
I've been so sick, I've been like, bro, the day my ass gotta work, you niggas.
Oh God, I said, go hard tomorrow, though. I said, tell you I go 500 tomorrow. You don't gotta work. Hopefully.
But I said I had a full tank and all, boy. I been out with
Damn. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all back when I get back in the car after I put in this gas.
I told my
yeah, I'm back in the car with it. Ooh, look at that police stand right there. He checking that nigga down. He checking that nigga down. He is not wasting no time. Let's see, we got everybody in the back in the cut. We got my boys right here. Daytona twin. Everybody right here. Yes, sir. Fuck about no police officers. Oh, this how we ride out every day. But we on the way to a car meet right now. If I can see me. We on the way to a car meet right now. It's cold as fuck, but I don't give a fuck. I gotta be out here. Y'all get this content, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get this content. It's cold as fuck. Look at that boy Drew. Go ahead, Drew. Yes, sir. We out here, y'all successful black people, white, you know what I'm saying? Any type of race, successful, you know what I'm saying? Get in where you fit in. But yeah. We on the way to this car meet. A little POV on the way to the car meet. That's how we break down on it. Tell us how we break down. Hey man, I'm gonna pick up back the camera when we get there. So, what's up, y'all? You almost there. We like 4 minutes. What? We at downtown? I can't hear you. Like I was saying, y'all, we are almost there. We like, what, 4 minutes? Oh, shit. This truck about to pull out in front of there. But yeah, like I was saying, we like, what, 4 minutes out. So, decided to pick back the camera, give out a little bit more of a POV. Sir. Look at that nigga. What the fuck going on? Oh. They're like landing ass right there. Say what? Oh shit, my shit not even on. My scanner not even on. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm hungry. Laser. I know y'all hear that air on. Hey, it's cold. Everything out today. Oh shit. All the Christmas lights and everything going on. Yes, sir. Pulling up with fashion. Yes, sir. You got the little meat. What's up, what? There ain't nowhere to park at. Jerry! What up, boy? Shit, nigga, where the fuck the park at?
Huh?
Where the fuck the park at, twin?
I'm parked over there, but I'm about to leave.
You about to leave, twin?
This is the hardest lineup right here.
I ain't gonna lie to you, that shit.
NSX, Z, and GT5.
Oh, I'm trying to find a park.
Nobody out here. So you can tap my spot. I'm over there.
Where the hell you at?
Like on the food line, the first. Here, I'll show you.
What's out with it? You know what I'm saying? We got our parks. Shit, y'all trying to go find some shit?
Let's go find some shit. Hear my shit.
I ain't hear your shit yet. Let's hear your shit.
I ain't heard your shit yet. And we was riding all together on the way here.
It's cause he was behind us. I mean, I heard the shit, but you know.
Hey, he flew past you though.
Oh,
he
God.
can't keep up with the 5-0.
Nah, cause look, I let him. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. You didn't get your shit. You got your cash deleted. You got your cash deleted.
Hell nah, they said they couldn't do it.
I'm telling you, go to Mr. Tom, bro.
Just stop.
Yeah, I just got down.
That nigga, he got a project bill going on. Bro, guess how much, bro? Nigga, This shit's cost too much. Headers cost way too much. Oh God, I hate that shit. But I need to go up there and give me a little thumbnail or something.
How fun was that?
God.
Car park?
Nigga, what? A girl that bought me car parts, boy. Gotta love her. My girl bought me my look. Did I tell you my girl bought my decals? Yeah. She bought my the tail light decal shit.
I said that last night. I didn't know.
My girl had bought it. I had like did the spray paint shit, but she had bought the decal and shit. You talking about the covers? I might get them shits too. I wonder what they got on. That bitch lifting up. Y'all see that shit? God damn. Look. That bitch got. That bitch. Oh. For real? Ain't gonna lie, this is my second or third one. I ain't gonna count. The one I went to one at Quakers. That shit was lit. But the first one I went to was ass. I ain't gonna count. Damn. Damn, that bitch. What? That bitch. What they got going on? A mirror right there. That bitch with a cam in it. I want to get a cam on my shit. I need a cam on my shit. It's over with, twin. I swear to God. That Mustang? That's that Mustang? What's that? This that nigga with the beard over there. That little RT right there. That boy say he got an engine swap on his shit though.
Let the people know it's okay to have a 5.7.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You know what I'm saying? Especially if it's a Daytona. You know what I'm saying?
It starts some way, and we're probably gonna have a Jeep at the end of next year.
Track off. Track off. Track off.
I don't have a track off because my family car, I found it like...
Nigga. Bruh. The 350Z. Face ass. Ain't a lot. Took his park too, probably. I don't get 2 fucks. Damn, that nigga shit different. Oh, hold on, wait. That nigga shit. God damn. That nigga shit is spitting. Nigga put up on the goddamn shit right here. I ain't gonna lie, that nigga right there different. That nigga in that blue shirt different. I ain't gonna cap. That bitch.
I fuck with the paint too.
Oh God, that blue hard. That blue hard, man. His ass go right here. He said do it again. That bitch different. This nigga. I know what I'm saying. That nigga, the fuck he got in his shit? I ain't gonna lie, that nigga shit.
Hey, you think you got it?
Huh?
You think you got it beat though?
Hell no. I ain't gonna lie, no. I don't know what the fuck he got going on with his shit, bro. That nigga got like 7 goddamn, I don't even know. That nigga got 2 on top of 2s, headers on top of some shit. What you think he got done in his shit? Angel swap, elephant, something. He got something in his shit. Oh God, nigga, he sprinkled a little angel dust in that motherfucker. Not a little bit, that nigga a lot.
That bitch got that little special touch.
Oh, nigga, what? Nigga, sprinkle that bitch. God. Oh God, these niggas talking about the back of the truck. These niggas is not playing. I'll get here by any means necessary. This bitch.
Damn.
See, look, that's your fault, nigga. It's not me. You better be.
Is that?
Yeah. They say he got Lightning McQueen in the front. Do you think he beating you? Do you think he beating this? Nigga, what? Do you see what I came in, nigga? I got the little J's on. Adidas. Nike.
Easy peasy.
With the Yeezys.
I know.
Yeah, listen. He not competing though. He is loud though, but he not competing with the other nigga though. He ain't competing with the other nigga though. Oh, sorry, but that bitch was loud. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what the fuck he got going on. That made me not even want to rev my shit no more. Oh God. That shit, his shit sound like that. The RT up there. Niggas don't know what I got in my shit. They think my shit is RT too. SRT Daytona. Hell yeah. They get beside my shit. Nigga, that's a scat pack for real. My shit deep. What you thought my shit was, Drew? When you first seen it?
Some new springs.
I knew it was a Daytona.
My shit,
You thought it was 5.7 though, ain't it?
Probably. I don't know shit about Daytona.
I knew your shit was the 5.7 at work. I was like, what the fuck? One day I was walking, then I seen the reflection. I knew it was no regular Dodge shit. I was like, oh, that's twin right there.
A bunch of different shit.
Kill the fucking battery.
That boy said he done did an engine swap on his shit. They got the Honda out here. Let me hear that bit. The Honda got the tablet connected to it. And you don't want to fuck with that shit. If it look like it's not supposed to be here, do not race it. Ain't that right, Drew? I don't even know what all they got out this bitch.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a TA over there. So I think really all the shit on left for real. I think all the real shit on left. That's what fucking Jay told me before he left. Hell lot. What y'all think? Go grill lights or no grill lights, bro? Grill lights. Okay. I was thinking about going underglow too, but they said that shit gonna look childish too. The underglow, cause you know what I'm saying, like too many lights.
I had underglow on my
Like shit, if I'm worried about to go to headlights and the grill lights.
Them bitches fuck up so easy.
What? Come on, there.
So fast.
Yeah. I give y'all $200, you don't go over there and kick that shit open. Nah, it's fine. Don't do that. That nigga start crying.
Yeah, I would too.
That bitch fast. That nigga shit was different though. Yeah, whole lot of shit. This nigga riding on the moped type shit. Of course, it's a Honda too. Of course, it's a Honda. With them wide ass shit and that shit. You wish that? The SS?
Yeah.
You think you be the SS?
Super slow? The super slow?
The super slow? Super slow? Drew said he not losing no drop top.
I know super drop down.
He beat you with a little bit of sassiness. I don't drop the top. Hey. That boy say he got the American muscle sticker on his car. The Mustang? What?
That drop top.
Oh. What, drop top mirror? Gotta get a little, I need to get a goddamn. Where y'all think is a good thumbnail gonna be at? Where you think a good thumbnail will be like this? Drew, go ahead, be in the thumbnail, Drew. You in the thumbnail. Drew said. Yeah, man. I don't even know where the other boys at. I don't even. Gabe ass is disappearing. That wide body hard though. I ain't gonna count.
That's your kit?
Hell no, bro. They keep playing with my kit, bro. On God. I was just talking about that shit the other day, bro. They playing with my kid. Oh God, they gave me everything, just the side skirts, bro. I said, nigga, why the fuck would y'all just send me the side skirts, not everything else? I've been so mad, bro. I've been pissed off. I was supposed to get my wrap 2 days ago. Exactly. Man, this shit aggravating as fuck. Oh God. But you know what I'm saying? They say it's supposed to be coming in Tuesday. Well, they supposed to be getting the shipping number and shit for Tuesday. It's a scat pack. Well, like a scat pack shaker. No. This nigga shit was jumping. I'm 16 minutes in. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit when we about to leave or we find any more moves. I mean, it's a little, you know what I'm saying, little car event. We got everything going. I'm gonna catch y'all. I just had to record this bitch. The nigga was burning out. No, tell everybody get kicked out. Out here fighting, twin. They out here fighting. They were throwing hands, bro. Damn. Shit, right now we on the way to Quakers, you know what I'm saying? We got a whole bunch of people pulling up. More people. We got elevator. They got my twin right there. Yeah. They gonna be season. A whole bunch of people out here. You put it out of money. Out here. It's cold as fuck, but we out this bitch. I keep saying that shit, but it is cold as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, police get behind us, but they not stopping all of us. We got everybody in this bitch. Everybody out this bitch. Alright, but y'all, man, that's the end of the video, man. If y'all like the video, I might throw this video in with the other video too. I don't know yet, but if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. And if y'all like, go ahead and subscribe, all that. Turn your post notification on, all that. You know what what I'm saying? Like, this man right here. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Nah, but nah. If y'all like the video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and shit, we out.